Welcome to the YouTube channel Graphic Design and AI, where creativity meets technology. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey that combines the power of graphic design with the cutting-edge advancements of artificial intelligence? If so, you've come to the right place. Our channel is all about exploring the fascinating world where artistry and innovation intertwine. We dive deep into the realms of graphic design, where captivating visuals come to life. We unravel the mysteries of artificial intelligence, where machines learn to think and create alongside us. In our graphic design segment, we unravel the secrets behind stunning visuals. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, we've got you covered. We'll share tips, tricks, and tutorials on graphic design software. From industry-standard tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to the latest design trends and techniques. But we don't stop there. Our channel also delves into the realm of artificial intelligence, where algorithms learn to think creatively. We'll explore the intersection of AI and design. Machine learning and automation can revolutionize the creative process. From generative art and neural style transfer to automated design tools and AI-powered creative assistants, we'll unveil the incredible possibilities that emerge when AI collaborates with human imagination. Get ready to witness the future of design unfold before your eyes. Join our vibrant channel of designers, artists, and AI enthusiasts from around the world. Share your thoughts, exchange ideas, and collaborate on exciting projects. Together we'll push the boundaries of creativity and explore new frontiers in design. So, if you're passionate about graphic design, fascinated by artificial intelligence, or simply curious about the evolving landscape of creativity, hit that subscribe button and join us on this extraordinary adventure. Welcome to our channel, where graphic design meets AI. Get ready to be inspired, learn new skills, and witness the incredible possibilities that arise when art and technology come together. Unleashing creativity with design and AI. Subscribe now and never miss a moment.